Narok replica. Yes. And we'll probably just tap this down again. And we're going to Trigon Invisimancer. These aren't the best uses for Tumble Magnet. I'm being kind of aggressive with it, but... And I don't know why I didn't attack with these, but he didn't. And we could have just taken the 2 there and then Contagion Engine next turn. And then he would have been dead anyways, and we could have saved the counter, but... we did not. We're being a little defensive here. Plus, I think our hand is better than his. No, we're not going to untap that. It's probably still going to be on the Hippogriff. I'll go ahead and throw that Plains out there. Well, Sylvak Lifestaff's a good card to get out there because he doesn't gain that life anymore, and then he's taking 4 a turn. On the other hand, Contagion Engine's looking good right now. We go Sylvak Lifestaff equip and then tap 3 for Necrogen Sensor. We can keep the Trigon open and slow roll this Contagion even more. So I like that. We're going to start with that. Yes, you can gain 1. I don't really like the Lifestaff, but the fact that we were building an aggro deck, sure. Blazam. Get on there. Down to 19. This guy's a tank. This Golem's Heart keeping him alive. Although we are considering playing Golden Urn, which is probably strictly... maybe. They're both pretty bad. And no point in not using this Necrogen Sensor. The only reason I mean, there's no reason not to use the first counter on Necrogen Sensor. The reason you don't use the second one is if you have Proliferate in your deck. And he drew a land. What are you tapping for? Darksteel Sentinel, eh? Ooh, Contagion Engine's good against that. And I think we're just going to take the 3 here from the Volshock replica. I'd like to keep these charge counters on the Trigon. Because he can just sack and... oh, we take 5 now. Now he's actually bashing with his dudes. We'll go ahead and get rid of it. We take the 5 anyways. But we would have taken 6 the other way around. So yeah, no point in untapping with Rustic. And Contagion Engine is going to be good. He can obviously bounce 2 of his dudes back to the hand to save him, but he can bounce like Razor Hippogriff, which I'm surprised he hasn't done yet. But if he waits for us to untap with our mana, then in response to any sacking, we can double proliferate in response. Get that Origin Spellbomb out there, because we'd like to draw a card, even though he gains a life. What you got? Strider Harness. He is gaining so much life off of that Golem's Heart. Sure. Tap it with Tumble Magnet. Now we'll take another 3. No blocks. And yeah, we'll untap with it now. Unfortunately, we cannot play that Rusted Relic, because we want to be leaving 4 mana open for this Contagion Engine. So we're going to just have to bash with the Sun Chaser, and I guess we can cycle a card there. Leave that open. If we cycle a card, we get a land, then we can Trigon and Spellbomb. Ooh. We shouldn't have used that last counter on the Necrogen Sensor. That's a big player on my part, because we could proliferate the counters of Contagion Engine, which you guys probably saw a while ago, and I did not. So now I feel embarrassed. I really want to run this Relic out, but I'm not going to. He draws a land. I even said if you have any kind of proliferate. Duh. Go ahead and tap that. He's bouncing this, but the ability still goes off. So, okay. And we are gonna EOT double proliferate. I guess in response to that, we could double proliferate. I don't think it really matters. Let's see. We'll go ahead and do it now. He did not do anything in response. That's a lot of things. It's a good Contagion Engine. So he didn't want to save his Razor Hippogriff. Sec this. Yes, we will pay the white. Glenhawk Idol. So now we can double proliferate again if he decides to try and sack in response. We can just use our Trigon to kill it. 3, 4. Can't believe I did not see that. Okay, so he's bouncing that. One, 2, 3. Yeah, you're -1 now. I would put the Silvok Life Staff on there, but I want to get these two guys out. Actually, that's 3 for 5 power. This is 5 power. But these are flying. I like flying power better. And normally we'd play these second main phase, but he has literally no actions he can make, so it doesn't matter. And bash. Smith. And yeah, we can tap that. I mean, we can afford to use our Tumble Magnet every turn now with the double proliferate online. Glenhawk with that. Or we could Glenhawk and bounce the Necrogen Sensor, which seems good. Yeah. Yes, I do wish to return an artifact. I don't have any black cards. Turns our idol online. Yes. Put the life staff on the mirror token. I don't know about you, I'd say we have control of this game. This rustic is probably overkill, but and go ahead and use that Necrogen Sensor. Tap Smith. And let's just bash. And there's game 1. Now to sideboarding. See what we would have drawn next. Some alright cards.